another digital bathroom scale for the kitchen. We're going to keep it in the kitchen for now. We have one in the bathroom, but once I'm in the bathroom, it doesn't do any good. But when it's in the kitchen, that's where the food is. All this time I've been weighing myself in the bathroom.
Must we have a scale in the kitchen?
Well, one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen.
Why don't you put two in the bathroom?
Honey, you're right. You're so smart. I should get to the root of the problem. That's why I bought another digital bathroom scale for the kitchen. Emil, you're right. You're so smart. You said I should get to the root of the problem.
Must we have a scale in the kitchen?
Well, one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen.
Why don't you put two in the bathroom?
The kitchen is where the food is. So we could have one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen. I mean, the kitchen is where the food is. I mean, we have one in the bathroom, but by the time I'm in the bathroom, it's too late. But when the scale's in the kitchen, it's easier to catch myself.
Must we have a scale in the kitchen?
The kitchen is where the food is. So smart. Now we can have one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen where the food is. It's the little things that make big differences. And now I can weigh myself in the bathroom and in the kitchen. It's so smart.
Must we have a scale in the kitchen?
What's fair is fair. We have her stock answers. And now we have his. He's so smart. That's where the food is. Fair is fair. We have her stock answers. And we have his. Honey, you're right. You're so smart. Stock answers mug. And now we have his. His and hers.